right, this is CCU. We're here at Six Flags, Missouri, and I have met the greatest couple right here. I have met Greg and Cindy, and you're from?
The Brady Bunch.
El Paso, Texas.
Yeah, this is the Brady Bunch.
The Brady Bunch.
So kind of like probably shows all our ages, but anyway, lots of fun. But my thing is, you know, they flew all the way in, and what do you think of the park?
We're loving it so far.
It's awesome. Awesome.
I mean, what do you think about wearing the covers?
Got to do what you got to do.
It's an inconvenience, but you know what? It's worth it. We're having a great time. The weather, people, it's awesome. It's nice to be out.
Well, would you like to jump on a ride together and we can have some fun? We'll get on the Xcalibur.
Let's do it.
All right. All right. Anyways, as we always like to say, we will see you at the parks.
One look, the heat is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down. One spark, I feel lightning blazing up through the darkest nights. Hold your breath, babe, the smoke is burning. Now kiss me now and we'll be alright. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down.
It was really, really
Thank
great.
you so much for including us. That was awesome.
You're welcome, and I know you'll enjoy the video.